We bought this cat tree about a year ago and our cats love it. Unfortunately, some of the sisal rope is falling off from the posts, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to repair it. You'll need sisal rope, staple gun, knife, staples, and a bit of your time. Start removing an old sisal rope, and for this purpose I use really sharp utility knife. Also, do not forget to remove old staples. When all of this sisal rope was removed from the cat tree, start vacuuming the cat tree. Now, when everything is ready for the installation, we can start installing the sisal rope. Starting at the top of your post, attach the new sisal rope using a staple gun. I attach every 1 to 2 inches around the first layer of rope. Make sure that your staples are firmly fixed to the post. Then I attach every third layer of rope using a staple gun. Also, make sure that all of the staples are located on the side where your cat is not gonna scratch it. When you're installing a sisal rope, do not forget to push it to the top, so that way it will be nice and tight. When the last layer of rope was installed, cut the excess rope. Then, using a staple gun, attach the last layer of rope. And repeat these steps for the remaining posts that you need to refurbish. Now, to speed up this process, I wrap around multiple layers at the same time, then push them to the top, so the process actually becomes much quicker. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.